Good morning, my class 8th students. Now, today is the topic again linear equation in one variable. What I had taught you in the previous class, I had taught you what is the definition of linear equation in one variable and how we evaluate the values of x in equation. So, there are a lot of methods to find x in these equations. Last class, I remembered I had taught you two methods. One method is variable in on the one side and another method is variable is on the both side. So now just let's see both examples on both types and we will proceed further. So just see here, x plus 4 is equal to 3. I know you all are thinking this is the very simple, but just see here, this is plus, this will go to RHS, this is RHS and this is LHS. Okay, left hand side and this is right hand side. So what is the value of x here? 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So just remember here, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because 4 is greater and having negative sign. So that minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Why minus 2? Because 7 has a greater sign minus. So minus is the here. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So just see here one more example. 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 4. Here variable is on the both sides. So what we do here, this 3x comes this side, 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 4 and that 5 comes here. So 2x minus 3x, that is minus x, and this minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, both sides minus sign, so value of x is equal to 9. So this is the methods I had explained in the previous classes, how we find x in the equations. So now we will go through the cross multiplication method, the VPI methods, and you will see these methods in further classes as well as class 9th and 10th and 11th, 12th also. So just see here cross multiplication method. What is cross multiplication method? The name itself enough to describe this method, cross multiplication. Already lot of times I have used in this classroom cross checked, cross methods. So what is cross methods? This is called cross multiplication method. This is cross multiplication method. What we did here, one arrow and that one other arrow. See here, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 by 2. Our question is x minus 5 whole divided by 3 is equal to 2x minus 3 whole divided by 2. How we evaluate? So this is the method cross multiplication. Means this term will be multiplied here and this term will be multiplied here. So just let's see here what we did, what we have to do. This is x minus 5 multiplied into 2 and here 2x minus 3 multiplied into 3 means 2 into x, 2x minus 10 is equal to 6x minus 9. So value would be again 2x minus 6x is equal to minus 9 plus 10. 2x minus 6x minus 4x, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So value of x is equal to 1 by minus 4 means minus 1 by 4. So these are the methods we will use in cross multiplication methods to find the value of x. So see another example. For that we will take clear this method because in mathematics examples are much more important for us. Without examples understanding we never go through in the concepts. So just see another example. Suppose that I am writing here 2x minus 5 whole divided by 3 by 2 and here x plus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2 by 3. I think you are feeling little bit difficult in this equation. No problem at all. Just see here. This is 3 upon 2 in denominator. So first we convert this into numerator. So that would come 2 into 2x minus 5 by 3 and here comes 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole divided by 2. Now it comes in the cross multiplication method. So now 2 into 2, 4 into 2x minus 5 is equal to 3 into 3 9 into x plus 1 by 3. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8x minus 20. Here 9x plus 3. So now 8x minus 9x is equal to 3 plus 20. Means minus x is equal to 23. So value of x is equal to minus 23. Already I had explained one times before. Minus x is equal to 23. Why x is equal to minus 23? Why x is equal to minus 23? Because see here, minus x we can write here minus 1 into x is equal to 23. So that minus comes in the another side. So value would be 23 by minus 1. So minus 20. Now you get it? So this is the method of cross multiplication method. So now I am giving you one examples of all three methods we have studied. First two methods are called transposing methods. Means when we go LHS to RHS or we go RHS to LHS. And third one, just now I have taught you the cross multiplication method. So we will see one by one each one examples. See here, variable on one side, variable on one side. See here, x minus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So x is equal to, that minus 3 by 2 goes into RHS, 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So value is 5 plus 3 means 8 by 2, that is 4. So just I am giving one more examples on variable on both sides. Variable on both sides. See here, variable on both sides, x by 2 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2x by 3 minus 1 by 4. What we do here? That x comes in this side and that constant term comes in this side. So x by 2 plus minus 2x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Here see, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 by 2 3 into x, 3x minus 4x is equal to 12. 4 into 2 8 minus 3. So what is the value here? 3x minus 4x is minus x